Yo, how's it going? It's Jay, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to set up your Vean Basic Shopify theme. So in order for you to get started, you're actually going to need a Shopify account if you don't already have one. You can go to our website. We have an affiliate link where you can get Shopify for $1 a month for the first 3 months. You'll need the basic Shopify plan. This is Vean Basic, our starter-friendly Shopify theme built for speed, simplicity, and conversions. It's lightweight, clean, and gets straight to the point. No bloated features, no distractions, just a smooth, modern storefront that makes your products the star of the show. Whether you're just launching your brand or need a reliable theme that gets the job done, Vean Basic is the theme for you. You'll get clean animations, customizable sections, and just enough features to scale without complexity. It's perfect for small brands, dropshippers, and anyone who wants to launch fast and look good doing it. Now let's walk through how to set it up. Alright, so first things first, we're going to go to online store. Then we're going to go ahead and add the theme. Upload your zip file by going to your downloads and go ahead and open it up. Before we start customizing anything, we're going to go to products and we're going to go ahead and add our products to the store. Now that we have our products set up, we're going to go ahead and go to collections and we're going to create a collection. I'm going to name this collection t-shirts. Then we're going to want to go to browse and select the products that we want to add to the category. Next, we're going to go ahead and upload our collection cover image. In this case, I'm going to use this photo here. And make sure you change this best selling to manually. If you have more than one collection, do the same thing and add it to the collection section. Now let's go back to online store, themes, and let's go ahead and customize the theme. Go to settings, go to logo, and you can upload your logo. You can change the width of the desktop logo and go ahead and make sure you upload your favicon. After that, we're going to upload our preloader. And you can do that by going to this section here and go ahead and select your file. Now would you look at that, nice and clean. You can change the preloader size as well as adjust the background color if you'd like. Now let's go to typography and here we can change the font. Let's go back to the sections, then go ahead and go to image banner. Here you can upload either a video or an image. I'm going to upload my files here. And as you can see, I recommend using specific dimensions. For desktop, it's 1920 by 1080, and for mobile, it's 1440 by 1920. You can also adjust the opacity here, and you can change the height. I recommend changing it to fixed height. You can change the button text color along with the background color and the hover color, as you can see here. Here, I'm just changing some of the text to being global, and then I'm going to change the text size. And by the way, if you're looking to change the header background color, you can change it to black, for example, if you have a white logo, and you can also change the text color here. Now let's focus on this scrolling section, so you can go ahead and click on it. You can change the text as well as upload your logo if you'd like, and it'll look something like this. You can also change the background color, the text color, and the scrolling speed right here. Let's go to the collection section, and if you have more than one collection, these arrows will pop up, but if you have 2 or less, they'll disappear. You can change the arrow color here. Go to the collection list, click on it. You can select your collection that we first added. I'm going to add the t-shirts and save it. Then do the same thing for the other collection. Now for this featured collection, you can change the text. And we're actually going to create a new collection. I'm going to call it featured, but you can call it whatever you want. Go ahead and select the products that you want displayed on this section. Then change the sort to manually. Now you can go back and select the collection that you created. You can change the maximum products to show. In this case, I'm going to change it to 3. It just looks cleaner that way. You can change the image ratio. I recommend changing it to square. If you haven't already changed your products to be square dimensions, I 100% recommend it to be that way. Here you can see me messing around with the columns. In this case, I would recommend to change it to 2 columns. Now we're going to focus on the newsletter section. You can change the text and you can change the colors. For the social media icons, we can go to settings, click on social media, and here you can upload your social media links. Let's go to the tab at the top, change it to products, and select default product. Here we're going to go to product information, and as you can see, there is a size guide. To create this, we're going to go to online store, pages, add a page, title it size chart, and you can upload the size chart here. The dimensions for it, I recommend 350 by 250. Now you're going to want to select the image and center the alignment. Make sure you change the visibility to visible. Go back to that same section and select the size guide. Feel free to check out what it looks like for yourself. You can change the desktop media width and change the cart button background color. And for the desktop layout, you can play around with the layout here. I recommend keeping it as thumbnail carousel. It looks the best. You can also play around with it on mobile, but you should probably keep it as the way it is. We can go to the accordion, and this is for the shipping and returns. You can change it according to your policy. We added another collection here. So this one you can change to recommended products or any kind of products that you want to display here. You can always create a new collection or just use one that you already have. Let's go to collections in the default collection page. Here you can enable or disable filtering, as you can see here. Now this is the last section, the password page. First, you're going to want to upload your logo. Then you can go to the email sign up banner, and if you would like, you can add a background image. You can adjust the layer and the layer color here in this section. So if it's black, obviously you increase it, it gets darker. If it's white, you increase it, it gets lighter. We're going to keep it basic white for now. Here you can adjust the colors for all of the different sections. Now let's go to the countdown, and here it's in 24-hour interval, so make sure you keep it the same format. And that's a wrap on the Vean Basic theme. Simple, clean, and ready to launch. Whether you're starting your first store or need a lightweight setup that just works. If you're looking for something more advanced with cinematic 3D intros or deeper customization, check out our other themes like Vean Enter or Vean Virtual. But if you're keeping it minimal, this one's more than enough. Thanks for watching. If this helped, don't forget to drop a like, comment any questions, and check the description for the product link. See you in the next one.